There is nothing quite as annoying as a diesel engine that refuses to start on a cold morning, cranking over and over while puffing out white or black smoke. If your diagnostic tool is showing you a P067A code, it is telling you exactly where the problem lies, and that is with the glow plug circuit for cylinder number 4. Unlike gasoline engines that use spark plugs, your diesel relies on high compression and heat to ignite the fuel. Glow plugs are essentially little heating elements that get red hot to warm up the cylinder before you crank the engine. When the computer, or PCEM, sees that the voltage on cylinder 4's glow plug circuit is lower than it should be, it sets this code. This is serious because it can cause rough idling, misfires, and excessive emissions. To troubleshoot this, you need to identify which cylinder is number 4 on your specific engine, so check your manual. Start with a visual inspection of the wiring and the connector on top of that glow plug. Loose connections are a classic cause for this. If the wiring looks good, here's a pro tip that manuals often skip. Take the glow plug out and carefully apply battery voltage to it. It should glow bright red almost instantly. If it stays dark or takes forever to heat up, the plug is dead. If the plug works, use your multimeter to check for voltage at the glow plug connector on the engine harness while the ignition is on. No voltage means you need to backtrack to the glow plug timer or relay. Check your fuses, but do not just look at them, test them. Sometimes a fuse looks fine but fails under load. If the fuses and relays are good and you have power leaving the timer but not reaching the plug, you have a break in the wire somewhere. It is also possible, though less likely, that the monitoring circuit inside the glow plug module itself has failed. Just remember, do not fall into the trap of thinking it's a complex computer issue right away. 9 times out of 10, it's a bad glow plug or a corroded wire connection causing that low voltage signal. Fix that, and you'll get your smooth starts and fuel economy back.